Hey, what's up guys? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. International Driving Permit or IDP is the hot topic recently, and there is a lot of misinformation around this topic. And if you're watching this video, I'm sure you are traveling abroad for tourism purpose or for job and plan to rent a bike or car outside India, correct? So you have come to the right place because I have been to many countries outside India and I carry this international driving permit for my bike rentals and for my road trips across the world. So I have divided this video into four major points that will help you understand what is IDP, where you should apply, whether you should apply in RTO or online, my personal recommendations for RTO versus online, and the fourth and the major point, country specific information like if you are traveling to Bali, Thailand, Malaysia, Canada or US, UK, I will be covering all these countries. So if you are interested in one particular section of this video, I would recommend you to jump to that section using the timestamps given here. But to understand this concept deeply, I would recommend you to watch this video without skipping, and I will be explaining everything in a point-wise manner. But before going forward, I request you to give a thumbs up to this video so that it reaches more travelers like you, and also it keeps me motivated to bring such informative videos in future. So point number one, what is IDP? So IDP is International Driving Permit. There is nothing called as International Driving License. So International Driving Permit IDP is a document that allows you to drive a private motor vehicle in countries that recognize it. It's a translation of your national driving license and is a legal requirement to drive in many foreign countries. So there was something called as the Geneva Convention on Road and Motor Transport of 1949, which prescribes International Driving Permit IDP. So India is the signatory of that convention, and India provides Indian DL holders need to have IDP with the Geneva Convention format of 1949. India being a signatory to Convention on International Road Traffic of 1949, which is Geneva Convention, is required to issue IDP as provided under this convention for the acceptance of the same on reciprocal basis with other countries. So point number two is where to apply IDP and how to apply for IDP. So you can apply it from your regional transport office, that is RTO, or you can apply it from this website from where I got my IDP. But before applying, keep these points in mind. So let's understand with the example. If you are staying in Bangalore and your original driving license is issued in Nagpur, so you have to apply for IDP in the Nagpur RTO where your original driving license was issued. So you cannot get the IDP from another RTO other than the RTO where your DL was issued. But currently if you are not in the state where you got your DL, so you can apply from this website where I have applied, and there is no problem. You can easily get your IDP from this website as well. Point number two, if you are applying in Indian RTO, you will need visa, passport mandatorily, and in some of the states, you also need air tickets to be shown. So another point is if you are applying from RTO, then you have to visit the RTO and get the IDP from there. It will not be delivered to your home. So if you are staying in some other state like me where your DL was not issued, then better option is to apply it on this website and it will be delivered to your home. So recently there was an incident where the Indian RTO issued IDP was not accepted in the country, and I will link that video in the description box. And also there is a discrepancy in the formats of IDP which is issued in different states of India. So this is the notice that I will be putting up here. You can check this out. So a lot of IDPs which are issued in some states are different. Some states are issuing a A4 size paper. Some states are issuing a card. Telangana is issuing a card, and some states are giving booklet which is accepted. So I will link to those videos in the description box which I am talking about here. And if you have any queries related to this, do let me know in the comment section. So what if you apply online through this website? What is the pro and con? So guys, I have applied through this website and I have been using this IDP for almost 3 years now. And I have tried it in Thailand. I have tried it in Bali with the official rental website. I have made a video on that, how I have rented these bikes in Bali using this IDP. So you can check that out if you want the proof. And this is completely legit. I don't see any problem in that. So if you apply for the IDP using this website from where I got my IDP, you will get it in just 5 minutes, the PDF. And if you are applying for a physical card, then you will get it in 3 days. to your home at your doorstep. And it is valid in 150 plus countries. Almost it covers all the countries in the world. So I personally recommend, if you are staying away from home and if you are in an urgent need of IDP, go ahead and apply in this website. The links are in the description box. So now comes the question whether this is legitimate or not. So guys, I have used this in Thailand, I have used it in Bali. So a lot of people ask this question, that whether this is legitimate and what if the police caught us, and if I show this, what happens? So guys, one of our subscriber was caught by police in Thailand and he was using the IDP which was issued by International Drivers Association, and he had shown this IDP to them and they released him. It was not a problem at all. So you can see that here in this snapshot. Another point is, if you are applying from International Drivers Association, then you will get a full guarantee. If this IDP is not accepted anywhere, you will get a full refund if you face any problem throughout the validity of your IDP. So now I will be giving country specific commentary. So if you are traveling to Thailand, then you have to take 1 year IDP from website or from RTO and it will be valid. Also, you need to apply for a physical card, so it cannot be valid if you just present them a e-PDF. So it will be valid only if you have a physical card. Next country is Bali. So if you are traveling to Bali for tourism purpose, you can use your IDP, whether it is issued from RTO or from online website. You can apply for IDP of 1 year, and so even if you get a soft copy, that should be fine. And also note that this IDP is valid only with your original driving license. So you should carry your original driving license and this booklet which is issued with the IDP, and also this physical card. So now coming to UK. So you can drive a car or rent a bike in UK for 1 year after you land in UK. So this IDP will be valid only for 1 year. After that, you need to apply in UK for your driver's license. Now coming to Canada. So if you are going to Canada, then you can drive till 3 months using this IDP. After that, you need to apply for Canadian driving license. Similarly, in US, you can use this IDP for 6 months. In Dubai, it is valid and you can use it for 1 year. Now let's check out how to apply on RTO. So you can search for International Driving Permit Parivahan and you will get this website. The links are in the description box. Here you can select the driving license services, select the state where you want to apply, and let's say here I select Maharashtra. Close this pop-up and on the right hand side corner you will find apply for international driving permit IDP. Just click on it and click on continue and you have just applied for IDP. Now let's check out how to apply online on IDA website. So you can go to International Drivers Association website. The link is in the description box, and here you can select destination. Let's say you are going to Indonesia. So just type Indonesia and you can select this country. After that, you can see here the price is 4,000 rupees and here you can start application. On this page you can see here the print plus digital copy, you will get it for 5,800 rupees, and if you want only the PDF you will get it for 4,000 rupees. Fill the details here, your email address, your valid WhatsApp number, your first name and last name as per your driving license, and then you are good to go. And you will get this IDP in just 3 days. And you can see here the money back guarantee is shown. So if you have any other questions regarding international driving permit, do let me know in the comment section and I will be answering all your queries. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one.